Hello friends, in this video we'll learn a quick trick on how to find a Pythagorean triplet. So in a Pythagorean triplet, the three numbers are of the form 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. So let's try these forms to determine Pythagorean triplets, and I'll show you it on two examples. So let's say we are asked to find a Pythagorean triplet in which one number out of those three is 8. So now we compare 8 with these three forms 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 and see if we could get a positive integral value for m. So if we put m square minus 1 is equal to 8, we see that for m we get an integral value 3. So now one number out of 3 in the Pythagorean triplet will be 8, as it is in the form of m square minus 1. So now we need to find the other two numbers of the Pythagorean triplet. So the other two numbers of the Pythagorean triplet are 2m, which will be equal to 2 into 3, and we'll get 6. It will be the second number, and the third number will be m square plus 1, which will give us value 10. So by using these three forms we have obtained that 8, 6 and 10 are Pythagorean triplets. So now we'll verify this by using the Pythagoras theorem. For that we'll take the sum of the squares of the least two numbers and see if it is equal to the square of largest number. So the least two numbers in the Pythagorean triplets are 8 and 6. So we'll take 8 square plus 6 square and we'll get the values. 8 square is equal to 64 plus 6 square is equal to 36. It is equal to 100, and 100 is the square of 10, which is the third number of our Pythagorean triplet. So as these three numbers satisfy Pythagoras theorem, then that's why we can say that 8, 6 and 10 are the Pythagorean triplet. So now we'll try one more example. So let's say out of those three numbers one number is 65. So again we'll compare 65 with the above three forms 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 and see if we could get an integral value for m. So we put m square plus 1 equal to 65, which will give us the value of m as 8. So now we have one number out of these three. The value of m is 8 and the one number of the Pythagorean triplet is 1, that is already known. And now we'll find the other two numbers of the Pythagorean triplet. So the second number will be 2m, and the value of 2m will be equal to 2 multiplied by 8. We'll get 16. So 16 will be the second number of the Pythagorean triplet, and the third one will be m square plus 1. I beg your pardon, it will be m square minus 1, and we'll get the value 8 square minus 1, which will be equal to 64 minus 1, and we'll get 63. So the third number of the Pythagorean triplet will be 63. So now we know that we have 16, 63 and 65 as a Pythagorean triplet. So now again we'll verify it by putting it applying the Pythagoras theorem. So again we will take the sum of the square of least two numbers and see if it is equal to the square of the largest number. So the least numbers are 16 and 63. So 16 square plus 63 square. 16 square is equal to 256, and the square of 63 is 3969, and the sum will come out to be 4225. And as you can check, 4225 is the square of 65. So, and that is our third number of the Pythagorean triplet. So it satisfies the Pythagoras theorem. So therefore we have verified that 16, 63 and 65 is a Pythagorean triplet. So now that's how we find Pythagorean triplet, by using these three simple forms. And please note that if our given number does not give us a positive integer value for m using any of the forms, be it m square minus 1, m square minus 1, m square plus 1 or 2m, then the Pythagorean triplet does not exist with that number. I hope you'd like this video. If you find this method helpful, please like and share this video, and for more maths related videos, subscribe my channel. You can also follow me at Google+, Facebook and Twitter using the links given in the below description. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.